Been testing with some chicken, croissants, and a bunch of other foods for the past few days, and I wanted to share with you guys this new Kasori Iconic Air Fryer. Now, Kasori did send me this iconic beauty, but all my opinions are my own. I'll be doing more deeper dives also in later videos. We'll do some food tests. I'm going to walk you all through all the different things it has and some great upgrades on it. One of the major selling points on this product is that it is stainless steel exterior. I'm going to give it a premium look and less plastics in there. It's also PFAS free ceramic nonstick basket. This is a 6.5 quart basket, so it's quite large. The tray also has a ceramic coating and 4 legs, so it stands up. So it's about an inch off the bottom, so the air circulates well within it. The basket is going to fit about a 4-pound small whole chicken. The basket will feed about 3 to 5 people. The air fryer is also going to come with an app. This is the QR code here that you need to download it. We'll talk about the app in a second, but here we are making some chicken. While we do that, let's talk about power and performance in there. So it is a powerful machine. It's going to give you some nice crispy food because it is 1,725 in watts. Has a 5 fan speeds, DC motor technology. The machine does get warm, but it gets a little hotter on the back of it where the fan is. This machine is going to heat up fast, and it's going to keep the temperature consistent, so you actually get crispy results in there. As for using liners, if you want to use liners and keep your food crispy, here's a little tip. Put the liner on the bottom and then put the tray on top of it and put the food. That's a little trick so the airflow from the fan keeps going well to keep your food crispy. It has 6 main cooking functions that we're going to go over in a minute, but let's take a look at the booklet that comes with it. That's going to tell you the different functions it has and different temperatures, how to use the machine. And don't forget the beautiful cookbook that has a lot of great recipes in it that also comes in there. That's for the smart features. It does come with an app. The app you can download from the QR code included. It comes with a VSync app, which you can control the time, the temperature, the presets from your phone. You can actually access recipe from there and cooking guides, and it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can literally start it or adjust it from your phone. So if you have everything set up and you're not home and you want to try it out, or you're sitting chilling and when you get up you want it to be ready, you can actually set it up from your phone. One thing people love about it is that it does look sleek, and it's also not very loud. The sound is quite low on it. And cleaning is super simple. We'll go through the cleaning process in a minute. Pulling out the cooked chicken in here, and I am telling you that chicken was crispy and nice and delicious from the outside, and from the inside it was nice and moist and cooked all the way through. Also made some croissants. Now it's a little tip for such things. I did put it on bake and it came up to 330 in 20 minutes. I reduced it to 14 minutes and 330, but next time I'd actually do it for about 10 minutes. I didn't leave it the whole 14 minutes, and I would reduce the temperature to 300. Side note, we did that the next day and they came out perfect. Let's take a look at actually the different functions that it does. By the way, this one does have a shake button. Most of them do not, and this is to remind you that midway to open up the air fryer and shake your stuff and put them back in for nice crispier food again. We also have the dry function, which is used to make beef jerky, dried fruits, and such things. Also have the proof button. This is where you're going to actually put the dough to rise. By the way, the machine goes between 90 degrees and 450 degrees. And then you have the air fry, roast, bake, and reheat button. Great for pizza, by the way. Hope this video helped. If it did, please do subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know if you guys want more air fryer recipes to check out. I'll leave links in the description if you guys want to check them out.